In this video tutorial, I will teach you how you can create a soft drink can design. So I will pick up a 3D soft drink can design here. We will generate. Wait for a few seconds to generate that design. So there is a soda can design made here. Change the color there as well. We can make the shapes. Now we have the further designs. Thank you for watching.